our junior weather reporters. What's the weather like, guys?
Windy!
What else?
Cloudy!
Cloudy?
Yeah.
All right.
Windy!
Windy? Is this Hurricane Sandy?
Windy! Goodbye, rain! Goodbye, rain! Goodbye, rain!
Here it comes, Myles. Hang on tight.